I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by containing the breach. Disconnect the infected machine and use a clean device to act. Next, change your Microsoft 365 password and enable multi-factor authentication right away because stolen credentials are the common attack vector. Once done, review recent sign-in activity in the security portal, revoke any unfamiliar sessions, and block suspicious IPs. Make sure to inform your IT admin or tenant owner at this point, so they can apply tenant-level controls and monitor for lateral movement. Now you move into the cleanup and audit phase. Search and remove malicious inbox rules, auto-forward settings, and any send-as permissions attackers added, because these silently exfiltrate mail. Then inspect connected apps and OAuth consents. Revoke anything you do not recognize, since tokens bypass passwords. Make sure to run updated antivirus and anti-malware scans on all devices that access the account, and change passwords for other accounts that shared the same credentials. Finally, review audit logs to map attacker actions and timeline. Finish by restoring deleted messages from recoverable items and unquarantining legitimate mail. Recreate any necessary rules securely, and confirm calendar entries and contacts. Update recovery phone numbers and alternate emails, and enforce tenant-wide security policies, conditional access, MFA, and password resets. Monitor sign-ins and mail flow for 7 to 30 days to ensure no recurrence. If recovery stalls, use an emergency administrative account to regain control and contact Microsoft support. Troubleshooting tip: if MFA
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.